It's first thing in the morning, Stephanie's still in bed and we've been invited to a party at another chateau. I need to get her up.
Knife and fork.
Well, this is the perfect way to wake up in the morning.
Well, we're on our way to the Chateau de Jalesnes, a mere 3.5 hours to go.
Wow. And you're wearing curlers.
To be unglamorous for the party.
I think you'll be very glamorous, yes. We just need to stop via the supermarket because we don't have any gifts for them.
Maybe you can run in and get the things and I'll just...
You don't want to go in your curlers?
Oh, I think we'll send you.
Hopefully we'll be at the chateau before the big lunch. I think you missed the turning.
I can't believe it! Oh, the final pit stop's proving a problem. Here we go.
Yep.
Whee! Oh, that feels heavenly. Oh yes! Look what's just arrived.
What's this?
That is a very, very, very beautiful sight. Ooh!
That looks really good.
It's good having my personal stylist with me at all times.
Side?
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
The entire car just stinks of hairspray now. We're done.
Turn right onto entrance to Chateau de Jalesnes.
Nearly at, according to her, Chateau de Jalesnes.
We're just arriving at the chateau.
Oh, it's huge. They have automatic gates. Oh, I can't imagine such luxury. What a stunning building.
Well, Stephanie, I think you look quite fabulous next to that chateau.
Yeah, this is a little bigger than Lalande.
Dinner jacket, magnum of champagne, and a bottle of whiskey.
Looks like someone's prepared for a big night out.
Oh, I think it's going to be a lovely night, do you?
In a very, very lovely place.
Very excited.
Very excited. Johnny!
Hello, my people.
I didn't know you were going to be here.
Patrick
This is so exciting.
and the gorgeous Stephanie. How are you, darling?
Really
Amazing.
good, you?
Just in time. The guy's rocked up. Big bottle of champagne.
I know, he's
And
really
Fred.
looking the part, isn't
You all right,
he?
mate? Good to see you. Right, nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you.
What a stunning place. Look at those stairs. Right, let's go find everyone. I think in there. Okay, you go. You be brave. You open that door.
Merry Christmas! You. Wow. I know this is Stephanie's drink of choice. This is for yours. Welcome, Stephanie. You've not been
Thank
before.
you. No, it's so beautiful.
Shall I show you to your room first and then get your drink sorted?
Okay,
Walk
thank
this
you.
way.
I can't believe this suite is all for you.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Just for me? I have my own kitchen. I've seen this room before. Come here, come and look at this shower.
Oh, where are we going? No. You have a tower shower. Very nice.
And there's a little entrance.
No,
onto
you
that
have
terrace.
an entire terrace. Well, this is sick. This is insane. And this is my unbelievable room. So beautiful. Apparently this bedroom suite dates from the 1830s. So I'll be sleeping in history tonight. Michael, we have to go. Are you transformed yet?
Yes.
Wow, that is a transformation.
I've got glitter on these trousers from Christmas.
Major life problem. Have glitter on trousers. I officially want it noted that when we're late for lunch, it's your fault.
But we did leave a bit later because somebody didn't get out of bed on time.
Well, I didn't know that I had to factor in faffing time at the other end for you.
I had to coax you out of bed with scrambled egg on toast.
I can't be angry. You did a great job.
We are enjoying the most glorious meal cooked by a local restaurateur, and it has a solitary Brussels sprout, so we know it must be Christmas. This is Comté and Tête de Moine, my favourite cheese. And as for the dessert, it contains a surprise.
Oh, can't get in there. Oh, what is this?
Brandy cream.
Merry Christmas. Just getting cosy.
I've spent the entire afternoon having a nap. I can't describe what a luxury it is to be in someone else's chateau, have nothing to organise and literally spend the afternoon in bed. Just get to go to the party now. Now I've come to find Michael and he's going to transform me for the evening, I hope. Michael, you're going to transform me, right? I think he's pretending not to hear me now. I am done. Michael is a genius. He's painted an entirely new face on top of my face, and it's a face that I prefer. Let's see you, Michael.
Ta-da!
Oh, you look so good. Right, let's go down.
Oh, there's a party in here. I think you should come. I have just found the bar.
No wonder you have an endless source of whiskey.
Come, have a look.
I don't like standing too close to him because it's not very good for my ego. Because he's so talented. And I've heard he's got a very large personality.
So do you play too, Jonathan?
The problem is when you promise something, you have to deliver, otherwise people think you're not a man of your word. Fortunately, we've got Michael here who's going to do some, and I've got one up my sleeve. Hasn't been played since I was in grade 5 at school. It's going to be painful for me, not for Michael though. I'm just going to hand out the music.
Well, apparently this year it comes in a white clean finish. We're a little baffled as to why it might need to be in a white clean finish. Any ideas,
I have
Angelina?
no idea what that means. It must be lost in translation.
You were both wonderful. Michael's basically been allowed loose in the kitchen at the end of the party.
Just found a little snack.
Don't let loose, he's been bloody rummaging.
What are they? That's the
Cake!
This one's lemon.
They're cake!
This one's pistachio.
This is the entire kitchen fridge. It is patisserie, wine, champagne, mousses, and half a ham. That is the best fridge I have ever seen in my life.
It's mine.
There's lots of gossip, but I couldn't possibly tell you on video.
I'm sneaking off. It's time to go to bed. I have my night hat with me.
It's noon the day after the party, and now it's my turn to get Michael up.
Okay, Michael, I found my chair. Yes.
Good
Mummy
morning.
won't be able to tell me what to do if she sees me sitting in this chair. I can get used to this. Where do we get one?
Just take that one.
I'm going to chat with Michael and Jonathan. Hello, I'm all ready.
I'm just having a cup of tea. Would you like one?
Yes, of course I want tea, always.
This is nice. So how was the party last night? Did you enjoy it?
Loved it. I went to bed a lot earlier than you,
I did stay up a bit later.
till 4 a.m. I came to wake Michael up this morning, very excited about tea and biscuits. What had happened to the biscuits?
There were no biscuits.
No, there were biscuits yesterday.
Were there?
Yeah, there were biscuits.
sure?
Yes, I'm quite sure.
Ah.
I think it's very suspicious, and I'm getting quite Agatha Christie about all of this. Don't know what it means, but it's sinister.
I think you've got quite a suspicious mind.
It's staying in big houses like this that does that.
Okay, next stop, Chateau de Jalesnes to see my family.
Right. Quick swap. Putting my slippers on for driving. It's the Nora Batty look again coming out.
They are really nice slippers.
Aren't they gorgeous? Very long drive to Bamenya now. What is it, a 5-hour round trip we're going on now? A dog, a computer, and hopefully sneaky McDonald's.
Ooh.
How do you feel about going home?
It's exciting actually. I've not been here for a week.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. You didn't tell me there were fairy lights. Why aren't we here for Christmas?
Third chateau in 2 days.
Not bad. And they're all really, really far from each other.
Wow.
Pleased to see you.
Oh, calm down. I think she's happy to see me. Drive safe, see you later. All right, see you later then.
If you can't be good, be careful.
See you later.
Bye. Oh, she's so happy.
Of course she is.
Reunited with you.
That was an epic 5-hour drive. We're almost back at Lalande and we need to get some sleep because we have a New Year's Eve party tomorrow.
The theme is aristocrats or revolutionaries.
And I'm just going to go down your whole torso. All the way down.
Ruth, have you been at the Mall Spider?
Little spin, Michael. There we go.
Hello, sir. I'm just babysitting Tina at the moment. Ashley here. Ashley's beautiful mother. And Gillian. Wow, look at you tonight. You look amazing.
Gillian is my cousin.
The secret cousin we've never seen before.
Exactly, I keep her hidden away.
Here she is. New Year's Eve. Stephanie, what are you doing?
Cooking burgers.
Oh, nice.
Because we are ending the old year with all the bad food that we want to just get into our systems before helping us start tomorrow.
So everyone has to see Mary's outfit. Oh my God, Mary, you look amazing.
Here is the winter wonderland that we've made for New Year's Eve. Oh, it's making me hungry. Admittedly, this is probably not the sort of table that people usually make your own burgers at. But I think that just makes it more fun. It looks as though there is a lovely bonfire outside. Jamie, is it true that you made this bonfire?
Yes, me and Michael built this bonfire, and it was based around a design we once saw of a heap of sticks lying on the floor.
Oh, nice. I like what you've done there.
We made it bigger than the original pile of sticks, and then we put a match on it. And look what's happened.
What do you call this heap of sticks that's on fire?
It's bon means good, and fire means fire.
So you're calling it a
good fire.
A bonfire. Nice. I
Yeah.
like what you've done.
Yes. It's,
This could catch on.
No, yeah, it has caught on.
Forest is now coming to the bonfire. Oh, yes, my God.
That is amazing.
Like fireworks. I think wishes are going up there, don't you?
I do, yeah. It looks like fairy dust.
Burger night for New Year's Eve at Lalande. With all the accoutrements one could possibly need. Michael seems extremely excited about the burgers. I love seeing everyone so dressed up, eating burgers.
Pretty much anything will lead to a song. One word can lead to a song.
Can you say a word, please, Jamie? Just say a word. Any word, just say.
Cauliflower.
That's got to be good luck, right? Are you ready for your big moment?
I only learnt this like 20 minutes ago.
I know, you've done well. Champagne's ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.